Good morning, student. Myself, Dr. Yogesh Mathing, Assistant Professor in Commerce, GS College of Commerce, Verda. Today we are starting the third point, which is associated with central tendencies of mode. As we had seen, we had gone through the preceding lectures, having arithmetic mean, calculation of arithmetic mean, then calculation of median. And now, actually, we are moving fast because we just have to solve the problems in MCQ. So meanwhile, when we will finish mean median mode, I will share the MCQs on these topics on your authorized WhatsApp group, so that will help you, that will facilitate you to go through the exact methodology of university and what university can ask, what will be the questions, what will the type of questions of mean median mode, because it is very easy to solve the problems. We are actually solving the problems in a traditional way, but right now, because of COVID-19 pandemic, we have to solve the problems. We have to just have to go through the MCQ methodology. So after finishing this lecture, meanwhile, I will share the MCQs on your WhatsApp group, and then after that we will start unit number 2 of this SVM. So today's lecture we are having the point in our hand of mode, that is actually denoted by Z. The mode is the most repeated value of variable in the given data set. The what we can say, the meaning of mode is that the most repeated value of that particular data set will be a central tendency. So as always, we will go through three series: individual series, discrete series, and continuous series, because that will just clear up your ideas how the problems are being of this particular series. So the first one is individual series. It is very easy. We just have to find out the mode from the following data. Individual series, so there will be no frequency here. So 5, 4, 7, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, what is the requirement of mode? You just have to find out the most repeated value here. So after just analyzing this series, we just come to notice that the value 7th is being repeated, and it is being repeated 3 times. Here first, then second, and here third. So we can see that this the value 7th is being highly repeated. Again, we will go through some values here, but we don't see that only 6 is being repeated twice, and then there is no one. So the answer is 7. So mode equals to 7. Then here 17 and 18 are being repeated. Look at this: 17, 1, 2, then 3, and then 4. Now after again analyzing this series, we even find out, we will trace the 18th one also. 18, 2, 3, and 4. So 17 and 18s are actually equal highest repetitions here. So this is actually the answer of bimode, where you can find out the answer in terms of 17 and 18 because it has the equal repetitions. So this way we will find the answer in individual series. Now we will move to our discrete series, but again, moving to a discrete series, there are certain way of solving this type of problems in discrete series or in a continuous series. These are the steps. You just have to note down the steps properly, as you will have this recorded lecture. So you just read or see those steps properly. There is no very what can say difficulty in that. Just have to do what you have to just find out what we have to do in steps 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and as they are being. Just for example, step 1: make group of 2 frequencies starting with first frequency. We just have to make a group here like this. Then make group of 2 frequencies starting with second frequency. You just have to omit the first frequency, पहले को छोड़ देना है, फिर दोनों के ग्रुप बनाना है this way. Then make group 3 frequency starting with first frequency. अब पहले 3 frequency के हमें ग्रुप बनाने हैं this way. Then make group 3 frequency starting with second frequency. अब पहले को छोड़ देना है और second, third and fourth frequency की total करनी है. Select the highest group total among each of the groups starting with normal frequency, or after having this total, you will have the values which is actually the highest value from that particular way. particular data set और उसको आपको round करना है, you have to select that. Then you have to use the tally marks methodology to find out the frequency representing the highest group total. जो highest group total है वहाँ की tally marks से आपको frequency, you have to find out the frequency. Then you will get the select highest tally marks, and then you will have the series, a continuous series or a discrete series of that particular data set. That will, then you have to adopt the use the formula, and you will have the answer. So you just have to note down the step 1, group of first two frequencies. Step 2, make group of two frequencies of second and third. Leave the first one. Step 3, make the group of three frequencies, first, second, third. Step 4, make the group of three frequencies which will start from second, third, fourth. And step 5, make the group of three frequencies starting with third frequency, that is it will be like this, third, fourth and fifth. And after that you have to do the total. You have to find out the highest value from that particular frequencies which you had just added right now. With the help of tally marks, you will find the group or a discrete value belongs to that particular highest value, and then we have to use a corresponding formula to find out the answer of mode. This way we have to solve the problem of discrete series and continuous series. So I hope you understand this methodology. Now we have here the problem in a discrete series, the income and the number of shops. Now we will see the problem, we'll solve the problem. Now look here, these are the values that we had. Again, these are the values which had been given to us. We just do a round here because this is the highest value belong to this particular frequency set, 41. Now as we had just gone through these steps, we just have to do a total. First two frequencies, 4 plus 12 16, 40 plus 41 81, 27 plus 13 40, 1 plus 2 like this, and 9 plus 4 13. Then second, we just have to leave the first frequency, 2 plus 3, 12 plus 40 52, 41 plus 27 68, 13 plus 9 22. Then the third one, third column, we just have to add the first three frequencies, so 4 plus 12 plus 40 56, 41 plus 27 plus 13 81. Only two frequencies just had here, 9 plus 4. We have to do a calculation of three frequencies, so we don't have to consider these two frequencies now. Okay, now we are in fourth column, where we have to leave the first frequency and do a addition of second, third, fourth, and like this. So leave the first frequency, so 12, 40 plus 41 108, 27 plus 13 plus 9, so this one, sorry, this is not this one, 12 plus 40 plus 41 93, 27 plus 13 plus 9 99. Okay, then lastly we are in column number 5, where what we have to do, we have to leave the first two frequencies and do an addition of the third, the fourth and the fifth frequency. So leave 4 plus 12, 4 and 12, and now do a calculation of 40 plus 41 plus 27 108, 13 plus 9 plus 4 26. Okay, so what right now we just have to do, we just have to mark the highest frequencies, total of highest total here, it's 81, this is 68, this is 81, and here we have 99, and here we have 108. Okay, now we just have to do tally marks here. Here you will find the highest value, where as we had do the round to the highest value, we just have to do a tally mark here. So in here you can see that here there are no highest values, it is started from here. Look, it's 1, 108. Here 3 values. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is also there. Okay. Here 6 values. Here you will get 3 values, and here you will get 1 value. Okay. The highest values corresponding to this particular discrete values. The highest, this is the highest tally mark of 6, which belongs to 4500. So the answer of mode for us is now 4500. So what we did here, we prepared a table. We followed the table as per the steps. First is 1 plus 2, then 2 plus 3, then 1 plus 2 plus 3, then 2 plus 3 plus 4, then 3 plus 4 plus 5. Then in front of this we are just preparing the tally marks. The highest tally mark corresponding to a group or a discrete value will be the answer of us. So the answer of mode is 4500, because highest tally marks are 6 and highest tally mark 6 belongs to this particular value 4500. Okay, so you will have this problem after doing practice. It is just clearing your concept. So here also the same problem, you have to just go through that particular problem. For this is for your practice, and you will have the answer here 450, as the highest is 6. Okay, now we will move to continuous series. Here we have a series, a continuous series, and these are the frequencies. We just place the figures here. Then 1 plus 2, 2 plus 8 10, 20 35 55, 42 plus 20 62, 28 plus 26 54, 16 plus 2 18. Then 2 plus 3, 8 plus 20 28, and so on. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3, 2 plus 8 plus 20 30, and so on. Then 2 plus 3 plus 4, just leave the first frequency, so 8 plus 20 plus 35 63, and so on. And the fifth column is leave the first two frequencies, so 20 plus 35 plus 42 97. And after that just prepare a tally mark here. After locating the highest values like this, here you will get the highest value. Let me take 42. Here you will have 62. Here you will have 77. Here you will have 97. Here you will have 90, and here is 97. So you just have to locate the things from this particular here, and after doing a tally mark, the most frequencies are of the modal group 40 to 50. Okay, you just will have a tally mark also, or you will just write down the analysis table is also there. This is again another method where we have to prepare analysis table. अगर किसी को tally marking में difficulty जाती है तो analysis table को भी बनाया जाता है, जहाँ ऊपर series लिखी जाती है 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, like this 90 to 100, और फिर उसके नीचे लिखा जाता है कि 0 to 10 में कुछ है क्या नहीं है, 10 to 20 में कुछ है क्या नहीं है, 20 to 30 में कुछ है क्या है, एक 97 है तो उसके नीचे एक लाइन लिखी जाती है, और इस प्रकार से ऐसा लिख कर फिर उसमें जहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा टैली मार्क्स आ रहे हैं उस ग्रुप को सिलेक्ट किया जाता है. So this is also one of the method, and again preparing an analysis table is also one of the method to find out the modal group. Here we just had the modal group 40 to 50, where there is a major repetition, largest repetitions, largest values. Now we just have to use the formula here. There is a special formula for mode, L1 plus F1 minus F0 divided by twice F1 minus F0 minus F2 in bracket L2 minus L1, where it's a L1 lower limit, L2 upper limit, F1 frequency of modal group, this one, F0 is a frequency group preceding to previous modal group, and F2 is a frequency of group preceding to succeeding modal group. Okay, now we will have these three are here, 40 plus 42 minus 35, 2 in bracket 42 minus 35 minus 20, 50 minus 40, we just place the values here, and after doing that we had the answer 42.41. so this is the answer of mode. Okay, so I hope you understand this concept of mode very well. So we just had finished our unit first, having arithmetic mean, median and mode, and in previous lecture we also gone through the fundamentals of statistics. So here it is the end of our unit first. Next lecture we will start unit number 2. Meanwhile I will share the MCQs of this mean, median, mode to your WhatsApp group.